Welcome you all students. I hope you are getting familiar and constructing the cycloidal curves like cycloid, epicycloid and hypocycloid. And in this video, I will give you a short introduction about an involute. It's another part of the special curve. What is meant by an involute? Involute is a curve traced by an end of the string or thread when it is unwound from the polygon or circle and keeping always the string very tight. And as far as our syllabus is concerned and the involute, we are going to trace the curve from square and from the circle. So we are going to have the square involute and circle involute. Okay, I will give you the demonstration so that you will get the better understanding about the involutes, how to trace it. Right? Fine. So this is the square object. Okay, what I am going to do is I am going to wind it first. This is how I am going to wind. This is the thread, right? So this is how I have wound. What's the definition? Yes, it's a curve generated by the end of the string. So just look at this thumb. This is my end of the string for one wound. This is the one tan. So from here I am going to unwind, right? So now I just going to unwind it, right? So just put your side to the thumb and goes on tracing, okay, how it moves. When it unbounds, you could see the movements, something like this, right? Something like this. It goes like this. When I unwound the end of the string, it traces as this manner, right? For your better understanding, I can show if it is a square, right? I have wound from this end the string like this and it is being kept very tight. Now just I am going to peel it, and I just going to see how it is. That means the trace. If your understanding is better, you will get the trace as this manner, right, when it is unbound. And I can say from this end, if you take the length from the polygon, you will get the string length. This length will be the length of the string consumed for one complete tan, right? One complete tan. For square, the string length will be the perimeter length. The string length is equal to the perimeter. Okay. So I just said for one tan. So what about the perimeter? Yes, number of sides into its distance. So here the polygon is square. So number of side is 4 into a distance. So this length will be the perimeter length for one complete tan, right? So if I trace the circle involute, so I have an object for you. So this is a circular object and I am going to wind it first, right? So you may get like this. So I have wounded. Now just put your side. This is the thumb. I am going to hold the end of the string, right? End of the string. It's a curve generated by the end of the string when it is unwound. So just put your side and see how the thumb is moving, end of the string is moving. Can you able to imagine? I hope you are getting the exact, right? So this is how the curve will trace. So if it is a circle, object, if I wound for one complete tan, so from here to here, if I do the winding, and if I peel it from the end, it traces it like this, right? When it is kept very tight. So this is how the profile going to trace. And if you take the distance from the bottommost point on the circumference of the circle to the end of the string, if you take the tangent line and if you see the distance, it is nothing but the circumferential length. It will be the circumferential length for one complete tan. For one tan, the length will be the circumferential length. That means pi into d. In terms of radius, if I want to mention, I can say 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. So this length is pi d. So when we are constructing the square involute, at that time the end line will be 4 in dA, which is a perimeter of the the polygon, okay, when we construct for one tan. So here when we come to the circle for one tan, the end line we get this circumferential length, which is pi d, right? In the coming videos I will be posting the problems based on the square and circle involute, and there I will be giving the detailed explanation how to construct with it, and when the thread is with when the thread is more than the one tan, what is going to happen in the trace, and when the thread is with lesser when compared to the one tan, how it going to trace it. I will come up with the problem. Thank you.